Good morning, ladies and gents. It is a big day over here at Mason George Customs. We are getting a new garage door today. Pretty stoked about that. We're going to get rid of that silly flip door, and we're getting a regular door. So I am just cleaning up, got the cars moved, did a little leaf blowing in the driveway. So next step is let's get these bikes out of here and make sure the dudes have plenty of room to work. Typical contractors. This morning I got up at 8, got out here to start cleaning everything out. I had all the bikes are out, garage is clean, made plenty of room. They were supposed to be here at 9. Well, it's 11 and they're still not here. So we'll see how this goes. I'm curious now. All right, so it is a little after noon and the dudes are here. So they said it's gonna take 4 or 5 hours. We'll see how it goes. They're trying to get the door off right now. I'm glad I'm not doing this. So the garage door guys are here and they're working. It's a little after 3, and I think they probably got at least another hour or so of work to do. So being as I can't do anything in the garage, I decided to wash the vehicles just so I don't feel completely useless. But now, yeah, we're just waiting. As soon as they're done and gone, I will show you what they did. All right, ladies and gents, the garage door is in. It's pretty late. It's like 6 o'clock, and they were supposed to be here at 9 in the morning, but you know what they say, better late than never. But this thing is nice and quiet. Works good. It's nice and clean. Definitely got some height out of it, that's for sure. I'm really excited about that. Had to move the lights up a little bit, but we're gonna do some other stuff with those anyways. But yeah, not too bad, not too bad. This one is pretty cool. It's got like a backup battery and stuff, which is nice, just in case the power's out. So everything went pretty uneventful with the install guys. They ended up having to use some of my tools, and good thing I had some extra wood on hand because they did not bring enough wood. So a few 2x4s and a 2x6 later, we got it done. But yeah, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to finger fudge the like button, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks.